welcome to Ojemai TV. For those who are joining us for the first time, this is a channel in which questions in problems in chemistry and biology have been solved. For those who have subscribed, I want to thank you very much. And for those who are yet to subscribe, who are watching this video, you can encourage by subscribing the button. Today we are going to look at oxidation number involving calculating oxidation number involving charges. In the previous video, we have looked at how to calculate oxidation number without no stress. We calculate how oxidation number has been determined. But in this particular video, we want to look at how oxidation number with charges. What are charges? These are charges, or you call them ions. This is charges. This one is charges, this one is charges, this one is charges. So this one is having a charge of 1. This one is having a charge of -2. This one is having a charge of -2. This one is having a charge of what? -3. So we are going to determine the oxidation number of this element in this compound. We have chlorine in this compound, carbon in this compound, chromium in this compound, and phosphorus in this compound. We will start from the first one. If you are given an oxidation number of any particular compound like ClO3 minus, we say that the oxidation number of every compound is equals to 0. But in the case of this one, because it is with a charge, we don't equate it to 0, but rather you equate it to minus. This minus here is 1, so you equate it to -1. So minus here is 1. So if you have plus, oxidation number like plus, you equate it to what? 1. But in the case of this one, we have what? We have minus. So in this minus sign, what you already know that chlorine, you are determining the one of chlorine. So chlorine plus chlorine, sorry, this one is minus. Chlorine here we have oxygen here is, I told you the oxidation number of oxygen in the previous video, we said it is -2. So we have 3 0 is equals to -1. Cl plus the oxidation number of oxygen is -2 times -2 is equals to -1. We have Cl plus 3 times -2 is what? -6 is equals to what? -1. Cl here will be equals to 1 -1. You take this one to this side, it becomes what? Plus. So plus 6. So Cl here is equals to 1 minus, when a number having a smaller number having a minus sign in front, minusing a bigger number, the result will be positive. That is you now be like 6 minus 1. So it equals to what? 5. So the oxidation number of chlorine in this compound is 5. That is triosochlorate 5. In subsequent video, if you subscribe or go more of the video that have already been uploaded, you discover that we have looked at how you can name a particular compound. But this compound, we call it triosochlorate 5. Let's move to the second one. In the second one, it gives this case, we equate it to C3 minus 2. How to find it? This one is we equate it to what? CO3 is equals to CO3 is equals to -2. You are removing this thing to become -2. Instead of equating to 0, but because of this charge, you equate it to -2. Of course, you are looking for carbon. Carbon plus oxygen here is 3 times -2 is equals to -2. So C plus 3 times -2 give you what? -6 is equals to -2. C plus, of course, minus plus will give you what? -6 equals to what? -2. Then the next thing is C now. You take this one to this side, and now because it equals to C is equals to -2. This -2. Take this one to this side. When a negative sign crosses the sign of equality, it becomes what? Minus. So it becomes plus, or rather, you have plus 6. So C now equals to 2 minus C. That is I've already told you in the second video we have that a small number having a negative charge. When you minus it, a number with a big one, when you minus a bigger number, it will become what? Plus. So 6 minus 2 will give you what? 4. If you use your calculator, this one you are going to have minus 2 plus 6 will give you 4. So this compound is called triazocarbonate 4. Triazocarbonate 4. So let's look at the last one. Then this number third one, then we give this one for your assignment. So I believe you are following. It is very, very simple. If you have any question, continue to hit the subscribe button. Any comment you have, you can leave it there. So in the case of this one, we have heptaosochromate. What? Heptaosochromate. We are looking at the oxidation number of chromium in this compound. So we say the oxidation number of any compound carrying a charge is equals to what? Is equals to that charge, that is minus 2. In the case of if it doesn't have a charge here, you equate it to 0. But if it has a charge, you equate it to what? To that charge that it carries. So this one carries a minus 2 charge. So we already know that we are looking for chromium. So 2 chromium plus oxidation number 7 times the oxidation number of oxygen. If you don't know the oxidation number of this compound, go search for more videos in Ojemai TV. You will see the oxidation number have already been arranged according to the periodic table. So we have minus 2 here because that is the oxidation number of oxygen. When oxygen is bound to any element, it is the exhibit of oxidation number of minus 2. So it's equals to minus 2. So 2Cr, that is chromium, plus 2 times, you will give you what? 14. That is minus 14 is equals to minus 2. 2Cr minus plus give you minus 14 is equals to what? Minus 2. So 2Cr, what you are going to do in what you are going to do, take this one to this side. So when you take this one to this side, what are you going to have? You have is equals to minus 2. You take this one. This one is minus. So when it crosses to the side of equality, it becomes what? It becomes plus. So you now have plus 14. Do you understand? So the next thing is 2Cr is equals to 2 minus 2 plus 14 will give you what? 12. Equal 12. So what you have to do, because you are looking for chromium, you have to divide both sides. That is the law of mathematics. You have 2 here, divide both sides by 2. 2 pass here, 2 pass here, 2 go here, 2 go here, 6. So chromium here is equal to what? 6. So you call this compound heptaosochromate 6. Heptaosochromate 6. If you want to know how this thing is called hepta, continue checking searching for the naming of IUPAC compound. That is a video. There is a video that is called naming of IUPAC compound in Ojemai TV. You will see how this thing is called hepta. So it is very, very simple for you to calculate this thing. It's not magic. It's very, very simple. Continue to subscribe to Ojemai TV for more videos. If you have any question regarding this, you can always drop your comments and I will attend to it. For this one, you will still do the same. You just pause the video and do this one on your own. Any challenge you have, of course, you are going to equate this one to minus 3. So any challenge you have, you leave it in the comment section. I will attend to it. Thank you very much for listening. God bless you.